Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in the given figure, PQ is a chord of a circle with center O and PT is a tangent at point P. If angle QPT equals to 57 degree, what is angle PRQ? Here we have given one circle with center at O. Then PQ is a chord of a circle. Here we have given that one R point, then there is a tangent to that circle, and we have given this angle equals to 57 degree. Here the point T is there. Now join OP and OQ. We have given that PQ is a chord of a circle with center at O. Also we have given angle QPT equals to 60 degree. Now let X be the point on tangent PT. So angle QPT plus angle OPT is 90 degree. So angle OPT will be 90 degree minus angle QPT. That is 90 degree minus, here we have given that angle QPT is 57 degree. So 90 degree minus 57 degree is 33 degree. Now in triangle POQ, here we can observe in triangle POQ, angle POQ equals to 180 degree minus angle OPQ plus angle PQO, because sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here we can take 180 degree minus 33 degree, angle OPQ is 33 degree minus 33 degree, so it is 114 degree. And minor arc of angle POQ is here 114 degree. Therefore major arc angle POQ is 360 degree minus minor arc of angle POQ, that is 114, which is 246 degree. Now as angle subtended by an arc at center is double the angle subtended by the angle subtended by it on remaining part of a circle. So angle PRQ will be 1/2 angle POQ, that is 1/2 246 degree, means 123 degree. Hence angle PRQ is 123 degree. PRQ is 123 degree.